A very tough one in the beginning, but I think we managed to pull out the triggers, to see the spaces behind them. Yeah, I think we did very well. Our new stadium, Orlando Amstel Arena. Yeah, I think they came in numbers. They wanted to see us. They last saw us last year, so I think we did a very great job for them. Yeah, I think we deserve the 3 points. Yeah, I think we kept on going. Yeah, I think Coach Me told me that I must be free. I must go to the spaces. I must just feel free. So I think that gave me confidence to play, to be myself. Yeah. So I think I have confidence now because he gave me that confidence for me being free. Yeah.